All right, welcome back. Let's go, everybody. We're approaching what is statistically sometimes the cloudiest month of the year. That is November. So no shocker that in close proximity to November, we would have a day as such. All gray skies in Grand Rapids. This is Grand Haven, and it is the waves are churned up. They just turned the camera towards the lakeshore, and you can see some of those white caps coming in. So I would imagine waves on the order of about maybe 3, 4, 5 feet or so at the current time. Winds have been out of the southeast for a number of hours this past morning and into the afternoon, but those are shifting now more to the south and will be going southwesterly before they turn to the west and northwest tomorrow due to the passage of a clipper, which is also going to be responsible for dropping our temperatures noticeably for the day on Thursday and for the subsequent days that will take us through the upcoming weekend. This is the Lake Michigan forecast for tomorrow, and there could be some waves on the order of 7 to 8 feet overnight tonight. So if you live along that lakeshore, be aware of that. The wind can be howling at times. Northwesterly, eventually 20 to 30 miles per hour tomorrow morning, and they'll still be brisk tomorrow afternoon. I mean, it's not impossible. We could have some wind gusts at 30, 35 miles per hour at times. Gale warning through the morning. That turns into a small craft advisory through the afternoon and evening on Thursday. Right now, Tower Cam, we've had some pretty dark skies out there today, but responsible, those gray skies, because of a mid-level cloud deck, typically not the type that's going to rain on you much. If it does, it would just be a sprinkle, and I don't see much happening between now and the next few hours. Late evening into the overnight, there can be a few more showers starting to approach, and these temperatures, they have struggled, even though we've had these brisk southerly winds at times gusting over 30 miles per hour. It has had a real problem starting to push in the warmer air from the south. It's not too far away, though. As you can see, Benton Harbor at 74 degrees. Actually, that's St. Joseph, but did see Benton Harbor at 74 recently, and temps in the mid-60s down to the south. We're going to gain a few degrees between now and, say, 9, 10, 11 o'clock in Grand Rapids, so perhaps we can get to 63, 64, 65 degrees as this warm front does lift to the north, but quickly behind it is going to be this cold front, and this is why our winds are going to go from the south to the southwest, getting squeezed to the southwest ahead of that front, and then behind that first front we will turn winds to the west, behind the second front going to the northwest, and that's when the real cool air arrives for tomorrow. Now, again, we're not we're not getting to record-breaking levels here, but it will be about 10, 15, 20 degrees cooler than where we have been the last several days. A band of some light rain along that front. The heaviest of the rains, if you extrapolate that out, will go to our north later this evening, but the trailing area will bring a couple showers in here and a few more lake-enhanced spotty showers throughout the day on Thursday. It's not going to be an all-day rain out, but likely mostly cloudy with a few showers coming off Lake Michigan. Temperatures over the next several staying below normal. We're not, again, getting real cold air in here. I don't see any accumulations of snow, anything like that. But it will be staying well below the averages near 60 degrees. There is a chance for a warm-up, though, as we get deeper into next week. So that's some good news if you're looking for maybe the warm season to hang on just a little bit longer. Southeast winds still maintaining that easterly trajectory along with the southerly trajectory, but those will quickly, over the next few hours, start to go to the southwest as this front comes through. This is the high-resolution HRR model from the National Weather Service, and it does drop in a few showers. This is kind of overdoing the coverage, but you get the idea. Later on tonight, early tomorrow morning, it will be damp. Not much more than maybe 1/10 of an inch, if that, though, in the rain gauge. And then we've got these spotty showers over the next several days. Many of these days are going to be seeing dry hours, but there may be a bigger rain system at some point Monday into Tuesday. I'm going to be looking at those maps, and I'll have updates for you at 10 o'clock tonight.
Anthony, thanks. The Hopkins Equestrian team